this movie, I met Srinivas Reddy Garu after Paisa Vasool. I had a meeting with him and he told me about this character and I absolutely loved the character because it's a very different character which you don't get to see in South Indian movies. It's a very challenging role. It's a total de-glam kind of Telugu Ammai, kind of character. Entire movie she's wearing half sarees and minimalistic look. And it's a village backdrop, cute love story. But at the same time, there is a social message. And this girl, she wants to complete her Nanama's dream. So entire movie is about how she makes the effort to make her Nanama's dream come true and help the local villagers and the people of the community to excel in their handicraft industry. And it is a very important character because the entire movie she is carrying on her shoulders. So I would say it's a heroine oriented film and definitely it's one of the toughest characters I have played and very lucky to get this kind of role. It's tough because it has a lot of graph. There is not just some dance numbers and happy and girl next door character. She's carrying the movie on her shoulders. A lot of dialogues is there. A lot of variation is there in terms of the dialogue delivery. There is a lot of seriousness in the character, and if you play that character well, only then the audience will feel the emotion. And Srinivas Reddy Garu, he is a very strict director. So I have sometimes given 30 takes, 35 takes just to make him feel the emotion because he will not say cut till the time he doesn't approve of the scene. So in that sense, it was very challenging for me. Firstly, to speak Telugu long dialogues and then give the correct emotion with that and really convey to the audience what I'm feeling. And whoever has watched the film has said that the performance has touched their heart. So that means a lot to me. That even not belonging to Hyderabad, I have been able to kind of convey my emotions to them. That is what the goal was in the movie.
Was it tough playing village girl?
Yes, it was tough. We stayed in Nirmal and we stayed in a guest house. So it was obviously not as comfortable as living in Hyderabad because this is a city life. You have everything available here. And the timings were very difficult. We used to sleep for max 5 hours, 4 hours, and we were working non-stop. And I think that's when you realize that you really committed to the project because it takes a lot of dedication from the entire team to compromise on your comforts and then also give your best to the film. So we were living in a very simple guest house when we were shooting this. 45 days we were there, and that's how we completed the movie.
So how was the experience with Anurag?
Anurag, he's a very sweet co-actor. He's chala baagundi experience, very down to earth, very humble, and a very affectionate person. So it was a good experience working with him.
Can you say something about Nirmal Toys?
Nirmal Toys, I think I have actually made some toys also over there. I have done some pottery. I learned it when I was shooting in my free time. I used to enjoy doing that. And I think what's amazing about them is the detailing. It's not made of plastic, it's made of wood. So even if children play with it, it's made of clay. It's made of all things like earthen things which are not bad for you. It's not made of chemicals. And they are much more expensive and much more hand made kind of handicraft. So it's not like it's mass production from China and you're giving your children to play with some plastic toys which they'll eat. It's something very precious what they create over there. So I was in awe of the kind of artisans and the talent that was shown when I used to go to the fair and the melas and stuff, and I would see the people selling the handicrafts. They were really, really beautiful, and we actually shot in those actual places where all of this work was happening. So we interacted with those people. I did some painting myself on them, and it is really a very, very difficult and a technical kind of a job. Yeah.
Even songs got good response.
Yes, we are very lucky to have M.L. Shilekha ma'am. She is the music composer for this movie. Tangero Pupu, everybody has loved that song. It's my favorite song as well. And yeah, so I think the music completely goes to her. And music has been appreciated by most of the people, so I'm very happy about that we have a strong musical background in our movie. So I'm very happy about that.
This is your third film in Hollywood.
Yes, it's my third film. I've also done one more film, Mahaprasthanam, with Tanish, which is also going to release soon. That will be my fourth project in Kerala. Yeah.
Any other new projects?
I will be taking up new projects. Due to COVID, I didn't take up anything last year. This year, I'm really excited to work on something new. But as of now, I have not locked in onto a project. There are lots of things being discussed. I wanted to wait for the reaction to Radhakrishna, and I'm very much hopeful that I will get better stories and scripts after this film. Definitely.
Producers are new to industry.
Yes.
How they deal?
Producers, they are new, but they are very, very passionate about this project. It is being shot in their hometown. It is kind of their story. And I got a lot of support from my producers in terms of anything I needed, whatever was required. They were very, very helpful. And we work like a family. And wherever I could help, I helped. Wherever they could help, they helped. We all work together like a family, not like it is a project, and it was not so much commercial. It was more of a emotional kind of a journey together. So I'm very lucky that they treated me like family, gave me a beautiful role, and took care of my comforts every step of the way. So even if they are new, they're very, very nice, and I wish them all the best.
How was it working with Lakshmi Parvati?
Lakshmi Parvati ma'am is super knowledgeable. So whenever I was shooting with her, I used to sit with her, and she would tell me so many things. She's so literate, she's so knowledgeable, and it's an absolute pleasure to work with somebody who's has so much knowledge. And she would teach me a lot of things about the Telugu industry, about how to speak Telugu properly, and she's a very nice person, and of course somebody of that aura who I've only seen on TV, and in the political places. And I'm working with her. It's a very big honor for me. So I'm really, really thankful for that as well.
So doing back-to-back films in Bollywood, how do you feel?
I feel blessed because the people here, they are so nice, they are so loving, and all my fans, they always say, ma'am, what is your next project? And there's always so much affection from their side, and I love coming to Hyderabad. I love the people, I love the city, I love the food, I love the culture. So I'm very blessed to be getting work here, and thank you for accepting me, and please keep showering your love on me like this.
So you have done back-to-back 4 films.
Yes.
And how about the Telugu language? How much far you have learned Telugu?
Kunchum. I can speak when it comes to my dialogues, but when I'm giving an interview, I prefer talking in English. But I can understand mostly what somebody else is saying. I can speak Telugu also.
Your very first film is with Kalpana Prasad.
Yes.
Can you do again with him?
Can we expect another film with him?
I hope so. I hope he wants to work with me again, because that was his 101st film, and now he's already on his 106th film. So he's definitely on a higher speed than me because this is my fourth film. So after I did that with him, he's done 5-6 movies. But I hope I get a chance to work with him again. And Balia Garu is next level. His fan following is just too good. So I would love to work with him again.
You have any dream role to be done in the Tollywood or any film?
I think this is my dream role because I always wanted to do a movie which was set in village backdrop, was very simple, and it was a performance oriented kind of a story. And when Srinivas sir told me this story, I told him I want to do it anyhow. And definitely the kind of coverage also that I have got in this film, I don't think I could have got this much attention in any other movie. So I'm very happy about that. I can proudly call this my film, and very lucky that I got such a film.
సినిమా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది రాధాకృష్ణ మీకున్న ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్
Lots of expectations, lots of hopes. A lot of hard work has been put into this project. It's one of my most challenging characters, and shoot locations chala tough. Number of days, working hours, everything has been quite challenging in this movie, especially. So I really want that I should get that. Appreciation from the audience because I put my heart and soul into this project. So please, all of the viewers, I request you to go and watch Radha Krishna, support it. It's a very cute love story, and it's talking about a very relevant social message which we all need to, I think, realize. So guys, please go and watch my film and support it and keep showering your love.
నిర్మల్ గురించి చెప్పండి ఎట్లా అనిపించింది అక్కడ షూటింగ్ నిర్మల్ కొయ్య బొమ్మలు
Nirmal is a very beautiful town. It's I think the milk is very famous there. There's a Basra temple also near. Basra pearls are very famous over there. It's a very nice town, very simple, very slow, laid back, and there's the Kuntalu waterfalls, which is very beautiful. We shot over there. Lots of nice locations. Overall, my experience in Nirmal was very peaceful. It's like just complete village, so simple life, and very nice people, very helpful people. We would go and ask anybody if we can shoot in their house, and they would say yes. So they were very sweet, and it was a great experience shooting in Nirmal.
నేటివ్ తెలుగు గర్ల్గా చేశారు సో సో ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంటే ఇట్లా నా మేక్ ఓవర్ కానీ మీకు మిమ్మల్ని మీరు కొత్తగా చూసుకుంటారు మేబీ
I wanted to play that kind of character where I'm playing total Telugu Ammai, and I wanted to connect with the audience. So till the time I would not wear that half sari and get into that proper ethnic look, people would not accept me that way. So that is why I wanted to play that kind of a character, and I hope people like me in that character.
సో హీరో మీకంటే జూనియర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సో తనకి మీరు టిప్స్ ఇచ్చారు
He's not junior, I would not say that. We are good friends, and he's a very sweet guy, and it was very comfortable working with him. And I think in this movie, the story is the hero, and a lot of part of the heroine is there also. So I'm more attracted towards that, and that's the reason I wanted to do this project. More than love story, it's more like a social drama as well, because there's a bigger topic that it's discussing, and that you have to watch the movie and understand that.
సో మీ ఇద్దరి మధ్య బాండింగ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది హీరో అండ్ మీరు సినిమాలో
It's a good bonding. I think we have good chemistry on screen, but we are good friends, and he's very helpful. He's very understanding, and sometimes if I'm taking some time to memorize my dialogues and things like that, so he's very patient. He'll explain it to me. Very sweet. So yeah, he's a very nice person. It was a good experience working with him.
మీ ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్
Tangidu Puvu. I can sing also 2 lines if you want.
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గారు
Producer Garu. Hi sir.
Tell about him.
Okay. Krishna Kumar sir is a very sweet producer. He makes sure that his actors are comfortable, his director and everybody on the set, he keeps everybody happy. He's very passionate about his work. He makes sure that he's on the set all the time, taking charge of all the things, and I call him directly and I tell him that, sir, I need this, and he makes it happen. So even though he is doing first project, I think he is wonderful person, and I wish him all the best, because anybody who works with him will be very lucky. They're very sweet. Even Sagarika ma'am, she is like a sister. She told me when I was signing this project, like we have a lot of hopes from you, and it's a big project. I hope you will keep our word. So I hope that I have kept her word. She's very, very sweet and very sentimental, and very, very nice people.
శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు
Srinivas Reddy Garu is legendary. I think he is one of the best directors that I have worked with. What I love about him is that he actually enacts the scene. He gets so much in the character that he enacts the scene, he sings the song, he's so passionate about movies that he wants the best from his actors. And like I said before, till the time he's not satisfied with the take, he will keep telling you to do it again and again. But if he's not happy, he will not say yes. He is very strict about the performance, and he's got a very good vision also, and a very, very good eye for music or locations, anything. His imagination, he's super creative. So it's really, really nice to work with him. Even Ragala Nalo Gantalo, when we worked together, I would just see him from morning like 5 a.m. till night 10 p.m. sometimes we were shooting, and he was always so committed and just like very, very passionate towards his work.
Can you sing a song?
Yeah, I can sing one song. So this song is called Tangedu Puvu. తంగేడు పువ్వు లాంటి నా బుగ్గ మీద నా సింధూరం పోసిందే సిలుకో, గున్నుల గుంటలాంటి నా గుంట మీద నా మూలాను జల్లిందే మొలకో, నీలాల కన్నుల్లో మరికొన్నాడే మేఘాలపై నుంచి ఉరికొచ్చుండే, మంత్రం చేసిండే మంత్రం మార్చేసిండే, ఏది చేయాలంటే వినాడే పిల్లగాడే. Just 2 lines from my favorite song. Maybe somewhere I have said something wrong, but I love this song, and I'm not.
100% ఆక్యుపెన్సీ వచ్చేసింది. సో రేపు ఆడియన్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు సినిమా చూడబోయే?
Yeah, I'm hoping now people will turn up. I think everybody is getting back to normal life in 2021. I think tomorrow they all want to get out and just go to the cinemas and probably wear their masks. See, safety is important. Maintain social distance. Wear your mask. But definitely go and support audience. And everybody is missing cinema now. Yeah, come on, it's Telugu industry, so you have to go to the cinemas and support our film, and I'm hoping everybody will go and watch the film. And soon we will also be having OTT release. Right now, tomorrow we are having Amazon Prime OTT release for abroad, for overseas, but in India it will be coming soon after the theatre release. But still, I want everybody to watch it in theatre, because theatre experience is 100 times better. Thank you.